In United States we say, how are you? In China we say, ni hao ma. In Brazil we say, tudo bem. In South Africa we say, how's it? In France we say, ça va. In Japan we say, o genki desu ka? In Nigeria we say, how far? In Australia we say, how are you going? In India we say, apka. Say hi. In Germany we say, wie geht's? In Mexico we say, ¿cómo estás? In Egypt we say, Isaiah. In Argentina
Para pag
we say,
nag-fry,
¿cómo estás? In
hindi
Canada we
magtatalsik
say,
kasi
how's it going? In Italy we say, in Kenya we say, Abariago. In South Korea we say, Jalgines yo yo. In Spain we say, ¿qué tal? In Morocco we say, lavas. In Thailand we say, sabaydi. In New Zealand we say, how's it going? In Turkey we say, nasılsın? In Ghana
weekend fire. Parang maganda to. Saan ba to? Pang macaroni. Umura lang ta. Extra.
Yeah.
Ito tao pang ano, pang piga, pang smash. Meron ako din yung electric, parang juicer. The beauty in the beat is who I need. Oh, hindi maganda kasi sa mga tiplon ba?
29.
Ito tao malapad.
Ay, meron ako yan eh. Itong malapad, meron ako. Bili ka uli.
Ito na. Basta pang luto ah.
Bugat.
Uwe, mabigat na kaya. Sakit na yung kamay ko.